Hello, children. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all must be happy, healthy, and safe at home. And I also hope that you are doing your work well. Children, we are studying EVS, and in EVS, we are studying chapter number 2, the plant fairy. As we have already discussed the different parts of plant and functions of different parts of plant, in this video, we are going to discuss about the types of plant. Types of plant. So let us see, children, types of plant. Say with me. It is, yes, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Say again. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. These are the types of plant. Today we will discuss about trees and shrubs. Okay, let's see the trees. Trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Trees have thick woody stem. Trees have thick woody stem called trunk. Children, see the stem of this tree. Yes, see the stem. Yes, stem is woody and thick. It is thick stem or thin stem? Yes, thick stem. So thick and woody stems are called trunk. So trees have thick woody stem called trunk. Trees lives for many years. Trees have many leaves and branches. You can see in this picture, children, this tree have many leaves and branches, such as mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree. Yes, see the stem of mango tree. Yes, it is woody and thick, so it is called trunk. Thick woody stem are called trunk. Neem tree, and this is banyan tree. So big and tall plants are called trees. Trees have thick woody stem. The stem of trees are called trunks. Okay, trees live for many years. Trees have many leaves and branches, such as mango tree, neem tree, and banyan tree. Now, see the shrubs. Children, shrub is a small and bushy plant. As we have seen, tree is, yes, big and tall plant. Tree is big and tall, but a shrub is small and bushy plant. Bushy means the plant is full of leaves, branches, flowers. Okay, it has thin and woody stem. The stem of shrub is thin. Trees have thick stem, while shrub has thin stem. It has many hard branches. Some shrubs have thorns too. Thorns means, children, mul. In Tamil, we called mul. Yes. Shrubs also live for many years. Such as rose, hibiscus, cotton, and mehndi. You must have seen the rose shrub, children. Yes, see, it is bushy, small, and the stem is woody. And rose shrub has thorns too. Hibiscus, you must have seen nearby your house hibiscus shrub. It is full of flowers and branches, leaves. Mehndi shrub, and this is cotton shrub. cotton shrub. It is also very useful for us. Let us have a quick recap what we have studied. Types of plants. Types of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Trees have thick woody stem called trunk. Trees have many leaves and branches. Trees live for many years, such as mango, neem and banyan. Let's go to the shrub. A shrub is a small and bushy plant. A shrub is a small and bushy plant. It has thin and woody stem. It has many hard branches. Some shrubs have thorns too. Some shrubs have thorns too. Thorns means mul, in Tamil mul. Shrubs also live for many years, such as rose, hibiscus, cotton and mehndi. Children, see this video 2 times and read also properties of trees and shrubs. Do your work well. Good day children. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.